Are you curious about the warning indicators and cluster display on the 2024 Renault Austral? How can these symbols enhance your driving experience? This guide will break it all down for you. Interior view. The dashboard offers a modern design with a large touchscreen, clear instrument cluster, and easily accessible controls. Its user-friendly layout ensures comfort and convenience for both driver and passengers. The instrument cluster features clear, easy-to-read gauges, along with a digital display that provides essential driving information and vehicle status at a glance. The LCD displays crisp visuals, showing key information like speed, fuel level, and alerts for easy monitoring while driving. Button controls provide quick access to climate, media, and customizable driving functions. The gear selector is designed for smooth operation, allowing easy and precise shifting for a comfortable driving experience. The steering wheel has built-in controls for easy, safe access to key functions. Instrument cluster.
The units of measure may differ depending on the intended destination of the vehicle.
Cluster indicators, side light warning, main beam headlight, dipped beam headlight, rear fog lights, automatic main beam, left-hand direction, right-hand direction, bad weather warning, headlight fault warning, handbrake. Auto hold system, automatic wiping function. Indicator light airbag, stop light. Brake circuit fault, battery charge warning. Oil pressure warning, variable power assisted steering. Warning light, gear change indicators. Warning light for the electronic stability, non-availability of the electronic stability. Door status warning light, anti-lock braking warning. Particle filter system, tire pressure, toxic fume filter system, low fuel level warning. Freewheel indicator, coolant temperature, speed limiter warning, cruise control warning, adaptive cruise control warning, engine standby warning, unavailability of engine standby, brake pedal warning light, assisted parking brake fault, overspeed warning light, lane centering system, lane departure system, lane departure prevention, advanced safety, non-availability warning, hill descent control warning, electrotechnical system warning, traction battery fault, electric operating mode, electric motor fault warning, passenger airbag on, passenger airbag off. Safety precaution. Know your symbols. Immediate attention. Don't ignore flashing symbols. Stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. Cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use OBD2, scanner for diagnostic. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips. Thank you for watching.